you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am home. I took all this week off to clean this house, turn it into Christmas ready, basically. My back killed me. I realized that from the other day I have this drastic back pain. Went to the doctor, realized that I have a strain in my back with sciatic, whatever you want to call it. So I don't know how I'm gonna do all of this because I'm gonna do a like deep cleaning. The kids' playroom. I took out all of the toys. I'm gonna wash them. I'm gonna wipe them off. I'm gonna clean. The core color scheme that I'm going with today for this year is green and red. So everything look green and red in the house, obviously, except for the kids' room, like the kids' playroom, and for them room. It's just a bit the neutral, vibrant blue, purple color, whatever. Tavania's room will be in a sky theme, and Tristan's room is gonna be a Sonic theme this year. And the playroom, I'll change the curtain them. That's all I'm gonna do. Everything is gonna be green and red. And I have a whole bunch of stuff over here that I purchased already. I think I have everything. I'm overbuy as usual. Have not unboxed them yet, but I'm not gonna unbox some of them just to check out some of the box them, but I haven't really looked on them. I don't know if none of them damaged, none of them if you send back, don't know. Right now, don't care until it open. So I have a bunch of stuff I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna really open up anything right now. I'm just gonna show you the area that I'm storing all the stuff for right now. So the aim is to get everything out of this corner and start it up before I go back to work next week. So let's see how well we can do that. All right, so guys, this is the corner with all the goodies. A clock that you're seeing right there is going to go into my bathroom. I love this clock. I checked this clock and all these things. I finally get it. And these are some boxes. This is Tavania spread. My new garbage can. Over here, so little flowers, little fandangos. These are bathroom accessories. I have lights here. Yeah, I got all out this here, people. You have curtains and little dollies and Tristan bedspread. So you have some garlands here. Some balls, Christmas tree, green and red, as I said before. It's a tablecloth. Get some cushion. And these are all Amazon. Everything so far away I see Amazon. Curtain, kitchen table, kitchen mat, tablecloth, shower curtain. And these rugs, they're just like some runners that I'm going to put in the area. I have 3 of them in the corner. 3. So these were the rugs are from Wayfair, and the trash can is also from Wayfair. Everything else, every single thing else is Amazon. Yep. And these I grabbed on Saturday. These are some things I got from Family Dollar. Just a little last minute stuff. I'll put on a tree. Stuff like that. Air freshener. And then something there. And then I got some wrapping paper. So this is everything over the display, which I'm proud of myself. I went a little bit over, but trust me, last Christmas I bought way more stuff. So yeah. So I'm gonna transform all of this. Does it don't look funny? Dirty. Their house is very untidy right now, but we're gonna get it Christmas ready, starting as of today. So guys, I am gonna try and show you as much as I can, because if I show you everything, it's gonna be a long video. Worst case scenario, see, let me drop down. Worst case scenario, I split it in two, but if not, we try and see whatever. I have to just show this a playroom again, all over again, because I just like one scratch record. But I'm gonna clean. Hopefully I can get the playroom and the dining room done today. And then tomorrow we can start with the kitchen. When I said girl over all out, mean wall, floor, everything now wipe down, dust down, take out a cupboard, wipe out, clean up, put back, dashway. Yeah, girl I got hard. So that's my cleaning. So it's my Christmas cleaning, and I do that every year. Spring on next set and whatever. So that's when you go like drastic on the cleaning. Because I don't like when the house feel dirty, and I feel like I've been neglecting that ever since I start working. So we'll get back on track, keep the house clean, transform all these goodies, all of this, transform it, make it look Christmassy, and we'll go to the door too. Put up Christmas lights and all these things. Tiffany has been asking because the people them, the neighbors them put up like we're not go all out this year. I feel away, you understand? So I'm gonna try if see if I can test them. I want to go competition now. It's on. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you. I got my first real plant. My neighbor sent over this plant for me. Poinsettia, I think it is. And it goes well with my theme, green and red, of course. So I'm not sure. I haven't planted them in my house, them fake. I can do real plants. Don't know if I care it. Don't business about them. But I'm going to take special care of them. I'm going to try at least. So this is it. People, look. Pretty, I was so excited when I got it. See? It's real, people. We never have one real plant in my house yet. It looks so real. Well, it is real. I have all the fake ones that look real, but this is actually real. So I don't know, and I actually watered it today like a good girl, because that's what they said I need to do, right? So I am going to try and find a perfect spot for this. Not sure exactly where it's gonna go yet. Kind of in a my vision board, you know. But we're gonna find a spot for it. And I'm so thankful for my neighbors. I have wonderful neighbors, and I don't really get things from people, so I kind of appreciate it, you know. Thank you very much, Raphael and your family. Thank you so much if you're watching this. I appreciate it. So I'm going to find a spot for this new baby. And I'm so excited about it, to care for it. This is like my fourth child right now. So hopefully we can take care of it. Yeah, I'm kind of neglect my putting them nowadays. So I hope we can take care of this. So let's get the cleaning started, okay? Let's see how much we can show me. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend, please, and thank you. And there are many more videos to come, I promise. Okay, guys, so it's day 2. Well, yesterday I actually did the playroom that took all freaking day, and the dining room, so you can see that. And then today, day 2, I'm actually going to be doing the rest of the Downstairs. This is a split level house, so it's not downstairs. But I'm gonna be doing the kitchen, the living room, and the hallway. That's my mission today. I'm gonna say the kitchen will take all freaking day as well. And I'm gonna need to cook. I'm gonna grab the kids step. So let's see how today works out. Hey guys, so it's day 3. And so far I have cleaned the playroom, the dining room, the kitchen, the living room, and the hallway. So this is what it is right now. So right now I'm working on 2 hours of sleep because last night I insisted, well, I feel like I have a little bit of OCD, people always tell me, but seeing it more and more, I have to finish what I started. So I went on to finish cleaning. Sorry about that. I went on to finish cleaning the living room and the hallway yesterday. After finishing, the kitchen took all freaking day because I had to clean every cupboard, took out everything, repack everything. Then it's a deep cleaning with the pan. So today we kind of start a little bit late because I was just doing like regular cleaning up, you know, washing dishes, do all of those good stuff. And the kids them have half day school for the rest of the week today and the rest of the week, so kind of cutting up my schedule. But I'll grab them real quick, just get them a little lunch, and then come keep myself contented. And today my intention is to do the other hallway upstairs and their bedrooms. So my mess right now, but I'll grab them before, grab them first, and then just come back and jump and finish cleaning up for today. I have to keep on schedule because I don't want, when it's time to go back to work, I'm not finish doing more to do. So I want to finish everything and then decorate. I start decorating a little bit, but I want to like full blown decorate, put up the tree, finish outside and everything by Saturday. So Sunday I just do regular cooking, I do laundry at the same time, girl. So Sunday I'm supposed to just do some cooking, come to Vanya here, and Monday I'm fresh to go to work. You understand? So I'm heading to them right now. Jesus, this morning what's up? So stay tuned. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. If you reached this far in the video, thank you so much. Do a like, comment, tell me if you like what you're seeing so far, and continue watching. Hey guys, I'm still sitting here waiting on the kids to come from school and waiting on the bus. But guess what? It's snowing. I'm showing. Can I see it? Just look at flurries right now. It just starts. So from when I get flurries, I can't believe that almost winter and we're not get no full-blown snow yet. And the place is still warm in comparison to what it should be in this time of the year. So we're experiencing a little bit of snow today. Not my favorite thing, but it's just crazy that I haven't seen it in a minute. See that?
The next day.
Good morning, Kenisha Says Nation. Guys, you see them little flowers I was showing yesterday? It resulted into this. You see that? Yep, our first real snowstorm. Not a lot of snow, but it's our first snow since the year starts. Since fall, since when I think winter started. But I think it's like maybe an inch or a half inch to an inch worth of snow right now. I'm sure now. But this is it, people. Yep, just half inch. Like just half inch worth of snow. So this is what we... Yep. I'm making a joke. Me drop this morning. As you can see, if I come from drop off the kids, I was a little bit late, so I had to go to the second stop. People, this thing was called black ice, and I'm not normal. My first drop since my day foreign. 6 years now me there first my drop on black ice. Me I run for go care pick them go to school. Go on the school bus. Reach, put them on the bus and everything. And coming back for go towards the car. Me drop. Use my hand them catch me and now my hand them are hurt me. But yeah. So anyways, it is day 4 of me cleaning. I have little and no sleep working with. But the work has to go on. So I have already finished the common areas. And now I'm actually into the bedrooms. Yesterday, I wasn't able to finish Tavania's room, or I start Tavania's room, as I say. When we finished Tristan's room last night, we finished the hallway upstairs. And so today I just jump on Tavania's room and the bathroom upstairs. And hopefully we can get something accomplished before we go pick them up from school again. Because remember I told you guys that it's half day school for the rest of the week. So today is Thursday, right? So I'm not gonna bore you guys. Sorry for the light change, but I'm not gonna bore you guys with the rest of the house. So we're gonna jump straight to decorating outside and the Christmas tree with the kids. Hope you enjoy. Merry Christmas to y'all. Enjoy this. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. If you reach this far in the video, don't stop watching now. Continue watching till the end. All right, continue watching. Hey guys, so I was actually thinking, I remember greetings from across the world in Jamaica that they used to do. So I was thinking that I could actually do something like that on my channel. Like, just create something similar to what I do, like not just up and record a horizontal video. And send it to me. You can send it to my email at kenishassays@gmail.com. And just like, yeah, I want to big up my mothers from all the way down in Jamaica. And I want to wish all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, something like that, spice it up and send it, come give me, and then I will just put it on my put them together, compile them, and put it out there for everybody to watch same way. So let me know what you think. If you're interested, again, send an email, not more than 30 seconds, and just email it over to my email address. Again, is kenishassays@gmail.com. I'll compile it, put them together, and you can watch it. Tell your friends and family to look out for it at the same time, and I'll just get that done for you guys. So again, if you're interested, comment and also send an email, and I'll let that done. And also ensure that you have them subscribe and like, so they'll be able to watch the video. All right, so go ahead and send me those emails. Hey guys, so I hope you like this video. Please go ahead and comment, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Until later.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.